Can an LLC apply for grants? Yes, but it depends on the type of grant. Most government and nonprofit grants are reserved for nonprofit organizations, not for-profit LLCs. These grants are designed to support charitable, educational, or community-focused work, and for-profit businesses usually don't qualify. That said, there are exceptions. Some federal, state, and local programs offer grants specifically for small businesses, startups, or minority and women-owned companies. An LLC can apply for these as long as it meets the eligibility requirements. Private companies and foundations may also offer business grants that are open to LLCs. It's important to carefully read the guidelines for each grant. If your LLC qualifies, you'll usually need to provide documentation like your articles of organization, EIN, and a business plan. But remember, competition for grants is high, and most LLCs rely more on loans, investments, or revenue rather than grants to grow. Zen Business can form your LLC and help you stay organized so you're ready to apply for grants or other funding opportunities. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.